Hey guys, my name is Jasper, group leader of Group 13 of the Special Week, also known as On Point Concepting. As a group, we chose to build a concept around Article 13 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which states that everyone has the right to move from one country to another and seek residence there. The refugees, which came to Holland or Europe, didn't get the warm welcome everyone told them to get. People are willing to take refugees in, but whenever they hear they're going to live close to them, they get discouraged. We want people which are fleeing from war to feel welcome in our country, and we think we can encourage this by creating a buddy system. Our concept, which will connect students and refugees to each other, will be called Best of Both Worlds. Young, creative and motivated people can show our guests around, while they can share their life experience and tell about their story about the war they lived in. We are quite curious to hear the opinion of the people of Tilburg. What do they think of our concept?
I think it's a great initiative and it gives the refugees a warm welcome when they come to the Netherlands.
I mean, isolating people is the worst thing you can do, so they have to be in contact with the people who are living in this country.
If you introduce yourself, if you meet someone, you can show yourself. Not the media shows you. You show yourself.
They don't have to find it out by themselves or with all the other refugees. It would be very nice to see someone who's actually in this culture, to show them around.
I would love to be a body like that because I think young, creative, open-minded people are the perfect group to introduce the refugees to our Dutch society.
But I think they feel welcome and they directly integrate within our culture and celebrate Sinterklaas or anything else instead of watching at it like, what is this?
And well, especially students who are outgoing, interested in each other's culture, well, then you have the good discussion at the right place.
Het heeft ook zeker een educatief karakter. Dus als leerlingen met dit idee bij mij waren gekomen, dan had ik daar zeker aan meegewerkt.
I think it could work, definitely. Yeah.
As you guys could see, the people from Tilburg shared positivity and positivity only. Tilburg has been an ever-changing city, and the refugee crisis needs people and cities to think with them. This city, full of young professionals, creatives and talent, could be an example for the rest of the world. Are you willing to think with us and create a brighter future? Thank you for watching.